Is the Chinese grill from Amazon worth it? Made in Taiwan, basically the same thing. So some of you may already know my bumper situation over the last couple years. So just from daily driving this thing, the entire bottom of the bumper here is missing. And then grill is pretty broken. Like a lot of these fins you see are all cracked and broken. All the clips on the bottom of the grill are broken. So a new OEM grill usually costs like $300 to $400, usually very expensive. Saw this on Amazon for 80 bucks. Took a couple months to get here, but we're gonna see this is a decent replacement product and also see how the fitment and quality is, because it is very hard to justify spending that much money on something so small that is essentially just going to eat the grounds, because you guys all know how I like to roll. All right, Tong Yang, let's see what you got. All right, looks like it's just packaged with some regular dish foam, nothing too special there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bumper off and swap the grill. Nope, wrong one. There it is. Here is the back of the grill, 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. And there are these weird clips down here. This one's broken off, so that's no longer there. And then the rest is just pop clips. All right, we got the old grill popped out. We got our 10 millimeter bolts back in, and look at that difference. This is pretty insane. We're gonna go ahead and see how it looks on the car. Here is the final product. I am very impressed. Fitment was spot on. Quality seems to be good. So I do have one more bumper that I'm planning on getting in a couple months or so. So I'm probably just gonna end up buying this grill again for that one as well. Thank you, Tong Yang.